What's up, guys? Enjoy here. Welcome to my channel, TechZo Academy. Just a quick one, guys. I just want to show us how to run a Visa card, all right, on Skrill. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when next I post another video. The amazing thing about that bell icon is that you're going to be the first to get any updates that I post here. There are some updates that don't last 24 hours, so you need to catch up as fast as possible. Okay, so do well to subscribe and don't forget to smash that like button if you love the values that we share in this channel. All right, so having said that, let's quickly dive in. This video is just going to last for like 5 minutes and we'll be done. Okay, so let me quickly check my bank app to see if the money I sent in has reflected. Okay, awesome. I have 49,000 in the account, so I'll quickly log into my Skrill account. So I am logged in right now. So I click on deposit. Okay, it's loading up. Nigerian network, it's coming up. Okay, so I just click on deposit now. So I'll just go ahead to select the card detail. I don't think I have that card detail right here, so I'm just going to go ahead to add the card details. All right, so I'm just going to pause this video and enter in my card details, then click on add card and continue. Okay, so once you are here, you just enter in 96 USD, then click on continue. Let's see what their charge is going to be. So that's 98. Okay, so the total is 98.4. so I'm just going to put 97 here. Let's see. Okay, awesome. I have a total of 99.47. so you click on confirm. Okay, just a moment to load up. So it's going to redirect us to the OTP page. Okay, awesome. So I select email because that's where I will receive OTP faster. Okay, so OTP has been sent to my mail, so I have to go to my mail now to check. So I choose my mail. Okay, so that's the OTP. So I'm going to copy this. So we paste it right here. Then I click on submit. So pray for me, guys. Let this be successful. Let's see. Okay, just a moment. Okay, awesome, guys. Our payment was successful. Can you see that? I have 97 USD right now, so it was successful. So we go to dashboard. Okay, so I have this now. So the next thing I have to do now is to go over to my Binance. I go over to Binance under the P2P section. Okay, so I click on sell. I change this NGM by the top right. I change it to USD. Okay, and when I change it to USD, then I click on the filter. Then I have to change my payment method. So I'm going to be selecting Skrill. So Skrill money broker. Okay, and what I have is 97, so I'm going to click on that and reset it. So right now we are selling. Sorry about that. Okay, so we can actually sell to this guy here. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to sell 97. Oh, sorry, I am supposed to be buying. Okay, so I'm supposed to be buying USDT. So we click on 97 here. So we're going to be receiving 88 USDT. So I click on let me see if we have transfer fees before I'll be able to know how much I'm going to send out. Okay, so I click here, then click on send. So we are sending Skrill to Skrill. So Skrill to Skrill has 1.45% fee. Okay, so I'm just going to test this out to see what the price is like, the fee is like, before I'll be able to go back to Binance. Okay, so we are going to be charged 3.87 fee. Okay, so 3.87. Okay, awesome. We are going to be charged 3.87. So what I have to do now is I have to do 97 minus 3.87. So it's going to give us 93. So if I should enter in 93 here, it's messing up now. So 93 here, our fee is like 1 point off. Okay, let me say 95. Okay, 95, we are still charged this, so 96. So once we click on 96, our fee increases. So let me click on 95. So we can do 95, so that our total balance is going to be 96.38. So what is going to be left will just be a small amount. So we can go back to Binance and enter in 95 now. So that's what we can. I hope you understand what I actually did. I was trying to determine how much I can send out from my 97 USD. Okay, so I click on buy. Okay, let me quickly refresh before I come back again. You see the price just changed. So 95. So I click on buy. Okay, I made a mistake. I didn't read this guy's terms and condition. He says send screenshot after paying to release crypto, no MasterCard. Can you see that? No MasterCard payment. So thank God I used my Visa card. So but if you are using MasterCard, make sure you read the terms and condition right here. Okay, say no MasterCard. All right, so I did Visa, so I don't have a problem with this guy. So I'm going to chat him up now to see if he's online. Even if he's not online, I'll still go ahead to make the payment. So I click on to payment page. So here is his email and his name. So I go back to Skrill. I click on the three dot by the top left. It's trying to refresh. Okay, so let me quickly do that back. So click on send, click on Skrill to Skrill, then enter the email here, which we already copied from Binance. Okay, so you click on continue. So we've already ascertained how much we can send out. So I'm sending out 95, so that my total balance will be 96.38. So I click on continue. Okay, so I'm going to enter in my pin here. Wow. It's saying my pin is incorrect. Okay, I think I got that right now. So I will take a screenshot of the payment, then go back to Binance, then click on transferred. Okay, so I'll chat him up again, and I'm going to paste this screenshot for him. So I'm going to paste this screenshot for him. Click on send. Okay, he's already asking for screenshots. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So we've sent the screenshot, so we are going to wait for him. Sorry about that. Wait for him to release the crypto. So what we are going to be receiving is 89.62 USDT. So without waiting for him, let's check how much we are going to profit from this transaction. So you go back, let me show you. On this USDT, change it back to NGN. I hope I confirmed this. Just go to dashboard so that it can refresh and release the fund. I think it's better so that it can be faster for him to see the money. Okay, so right here we've changed it to NGN, so we'll click on sell. Let's see how much we are going to make. Let's see. Okay, the rate is pretty good, so let's enter 89.62. so we are going to be making 52,186. okay, so let me quickly check my app to see how much was debited. Okay, so let me quickly log in. Let's see how much was debited. So I still have 1,292. Okay, let's do the maths, guys. So what was in my account was 49,000. So minus 1,292. So I was debited 47,708. Okay, so that's what I was debited, and what we are going to be selling right now is 52,186. So 52,186. So that's 4,478 naira profit, guys. So let me see if he has released it yet. He has not released it, wasting time. What's this guy saying? I don't understand. This guy is wasting time to release this asset. He's asking me to send something which I really don't understand, and I don't know which country this guy is from, so it will be hard to contact him right now. Okay, I'm going to pause this video and sort this out, then I'll wrap up the video. Okay, awesome, guys. So the guy has finally released the assets. Okay, so as you can see, your payment has been received. The USDT, the asset USDT will be sent to your account. So I'll quickly go back and see if that's correct. So let's see if that reflected. So we have that 89.69 still in our funding wallet. So we'll go back to P2P right now. So click on sell. So it's on NGN already. So I'm going to put this on 50,000 limit so I can see a good rate. So I click on sell. Okay. So I select my account. So 52. Oh no, the price has changed. Okay, it reduced. This guy is not selling complete, so I can't sell to him. Oh, let me quickly do this. Okay, so click on this. Okay, sell with 0 fee. Awesome. So I've completed this transaction, guys. So I'll just wait for him to pay in the money into my account, and then I'm going to release this USDT to him. So that's it, guys. If you love the value we share here, please give me that thumbs up. It encourages me a lot. A lot of my videos, I see a lot of videos that I make having 14,000 views, 2,000 views and all that, but the likes are very few. Please, guys, please smash that like button. It encourages me to drop values in this channel. All right, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you have any challenge, please join our Arbitrage Hero platform, and don't forget to use the comment section, and I'll be right here to attend to your questions. Okay, so the month is wrapping up, so do well to take advantage of this. The profit is actually small, but it's better than wasting the limit you have on your Visa card. All right, so go ahead, run this shit and gain that profit. Okay, so talk to you next time.